Hello, welcome to Zoom class. This is the platform or the screen that you will see when you're invited to a Zoom class. Throughout this whole lesson, we'll be using sharing screen and sharing whiteboard a lot. This is what you will see when I share my screen with you. I will type and communicate with you on the whiteboard this way. You are able to reply me by clicking on the view option. Go to the view option and you'll be able to see annotate. By default, you will see the draw tool appearing. Change the text by typing on T. On clicking on T. Change the color by going to the format. You will type here. Or you can draw. If you make a mistake, use the eraser or clear all your screen. Okay, that's basically how we will communicate.